Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Moomoo vs Webull trading app comparison. Both Moomoo and Webull are popular trading apps that offer a range of features and tools for investors to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. In this tutorial, we will break down the key similarities and differences between these two trading apps to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with the basics. Both Moomoo and Webull are commission-free trading apps, which means you don't have to pay any fees to buy or sell stocks, options, or ETFs. They also offer real-time market data, customizable charts, and a range of technical indicators to help you analyze the markets. One of the main differences between Moomoo and Webull is the user interface. Moomoo has a more streamlined and intuitive interface, making it easier for beginners to navigate. Webull, on the other hand, has a more advanced interface with more features and tools, which may be overwhelming for new users. In terms of trading features, both apps offer similar functionality, including limit orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stops. However, Moomoo offers more advanced trading tools, such as bracket orders and conditional orders, which may be attractive to more experienced traders. Another key difference is the range of investment products offered. Webull offers a wider range of products, including cryptocurrencies, options, and ETFs, while Moomoo focuses primarily on stocks and options. When it comes to research and analysis, both apps offer real-time market data and news feeds. However, Moomoo has a more comprehensive research platform, with access to analyst reports, earnings calls, and other data sources. In terms of security, both apps are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and offer two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your account. Ultimately, the choice between Moomoo and Webull depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and intuitive interface, Moomoo may be the better choice. If you're a more experienced trader looking for advanced trading tools and a wider range of investment products, Webull may be the better option. In conclusion, both Moomoo and Webull are powerful trading apps that offer a range of features and tools for investors. By understanding the key similarities and differences between these two apps, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best suits your needs and goals.